Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you best 3 free apps to watch movies. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're looking for the best 3 apps that you could use here to watch movies, well, there are a few things that you may want to check here. So the first one that you may want to check out is going to be Tubi. Now, it is easily the heavyweight champion when it comes to library size. Now, I'm talking about over like 50,000 titles, ranging from massive blockbusters like No Time to Die and Casino Royale to those weird niche horror movies that are perfect for a late night binge. Now, they just add a ton of A24 hits and the Black Cinema classics this month too, so the best part is the no friction vibe, so you don't even need to make an account to start watching, though it helps if you want to save your place in a movie. Then there's Pluto TV, which is a totally different experience here. Now, it's owned by Paramount, so it's the place to go for big franchise. So basically here, for big franchises like Star Trek, Mission Impossible, and a lot more. So basically, it feels like the old school cable because it has a live TV guide with hundreds of channels that are always running. So it is an absolute favorite here for background TV when you just want to flip through channels until you stumble onto a marathon of the 100 or some classic 90s sitcom. And finally, we have our last option here. We have what we call Plex. So you might see it labeled as Flex in some spots, but it's the one with the orange chevron logo. So it's the most premium feeling of the bunch here. So not only do they have a massive catalog of free movies like Hereditary, Silver Linings Playbook, but the app actually helps you organize your entire digital life. So it has a discover feature that tells you where any movie is streaming across all your other apps, which is a lifesaver here. So just keep in mind that while their free movie library is huge, they did recently move some of their personal server sharing features behind a paywall, but for just watching free movies, it's still a top tier choice. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.